SSRIs, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, are a class of medications that are used to treat depression and anxiety. These drugs work by increasing serotonin signaling at neurons in the brain. In this mnemonic video, I'll share my visual way to remember the SSRIs, their mechanism of action, clinical indications, and side effects. I've been training as a sushi chef in Japan for years, and I've finally been granted the chance to make the sushi for the customers. Yep, focus on how I'm spreading the rice with my hands. You know what? Sushi rice kind of reminds me of SSRIs, right? Because SSRI stands for sushi rice, right? I'm kidding, of course. SSRI actually stands for Selective Serotonin Reuptake Inhibitors, but I like using sushi rice to memorize the acronym SSRI. Now that we've anchored ourselves to this scene on SSRIs, let's cover the exact medication names you should know for test day.
Watch the full version of this video and learn more about this topic by clicking above the left arrow. Click above the right arrow or visit Pixorize.com to explore other topics we cover in videos similar to this one.